not fresh bread. You can use fresh bread, but it doesn't work quite as well because the bread soaks up the egg mixture too quickly.
Mm-hmm.
So a lot of times if I have leftover loaves of bread, like the ends of the bread that is just a little too old, I'll just save them
Mm-hmm.
and put them in the freezer. So like these came out of the freezer, and I'll probably end up using a couple of extra slices of bread. So start with eggs. You can use milk or almond milk or evaporated milk or coconut milk or whatever kind of milk you have. I have heavy whipping cream, so I'm going to use heavy whipping cream, and I don't measure it. I just kind of pour it in there.
Mm-hmm.
And if heavy whipping cream is too thick for you, you can add a little water. And then I have to get out the sugar. Sugar and vanilla. Again, I don't measure the vanilla. I just kind of go. Doop. That's way plenty. It's probably more than it needs. And then if you want to add cinnamon, you can do that. I don't typically add cinnamon because it's not my favorite. So I'm not really, especially with French toast, I'm not really a measuring kind of person.
And you get that from Nana.
Probably.
Whoop, 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 whoop,
Who got it from her mother? My mama.
Mm.
So
That's okay. All of my recipes come in like dollops,
a pinch of this.
partial spoonful, a drop, couple drips.
So depending on how much I make, I usually start with 3 eggs, sometimes 4. I'm using 5 today because normally halfway through the process I'll have more bread than I do egg mixture.
Mm-hmm.
So today I'm starting with 5 eggs. We'll see how that works. And I'm going to use a half a cup of sugar. Oh, Lord. That's a disaster. Not quite a half a cup of sugar then.
Could you use brown sugar?
You know, you probably could. Never tried it, but you could. You can also, there's lots of French toast casseroles that you actually put the bread in a casserole dish,
Mm-hmm.
and then you let it soak overnight, and then you just bake it in the oven.
Mm.
And this is I'm using a flat coating tray.
Mm-hmm.
You can use a pie plate or any kind of flat dish that you have that's big enough to soak your bread in.
This would be really good when we get your Iron Man kitchen.
My what?
Your Iron Man kitchen?
My Iron Man kitchen.
Top Chef. We'll get your Top Chef kitchen.
So you can stir it with a spoon or you can whisk it. This happens to be an egg separator / whisk.
Me and Dad will split you a kitchen.
So while I'm whisking, you might want to turn it off because that's kind of boring.
Why?
Because it's kind of boring.
No, so why is it boring?
Because there's nothing to fill but dead air.
Uh-huh.
So this looks like a little eggy. I'm going to add a little bit more. And I just kind of look by color. Like I said, I don't measure. I just do.
Don't worry, we can cut in post. Don't worry, Rachel. We'll cut this in post.
Post-production.
Yes, ma'am.
So you can still hear the kind of the granules of the sugar at the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
I try to get those as mixed in and dissolved as possible.
Yes.
And I'm using a double burner griddle. You can use
Double burner girdle?
griddle.
Oh.
A double burner griddle.
I was like, wow, you got a girdle for the oven? That's gonna be interesting.
Double burner griddle. You can use a single burner griddle, or you can just use a skillet, but use whatever you have. I'm usually making a lot of French toast. Your brother told me when he found out that I was making French toast for breakfast, he's like, what? It's me. It's Cody, Mom, not me.
Why don't you ever make me French toast, Mom?
I do make him French toast, but it's Cody, not me. I said, well, that's okay. Cody can get French toast too. He goes, okay, just don't put your best effort into it.
It's okay. I like 90% French toast. That's fine.
Okay, Troy, so this is 90% French toast. All right. Okay.
Better than Troy's 100%.
So we're not ready for the next steps yet because, well, I guess I can go ahead and start. So the next step is I warm up my griddle, and of course it is 2-burner griddle. So you turn on both burners, and
It's a pretty big girdle.
Griddle, Griddle, griddle. So I started on medium high, just to get the griddle hot. But when the French toast goes on there, you have to either turn the burner down or watch it very carefully.
Okay.
And turn it frequently. Because a lot of times, and Troy and Dad can attest to this, I'll end up making black and Cajun style French toast. You've had black and Cajun style French toast.
A few times, probably 5.
So.
But you make French toast all the time. You're not gonna succeed every time, just most of them.
Well, sometimes I just get in a hurry. That's the problem. I get in a hurry. I just want to finish it up.
Yeah.
And just not ready. So here's the other thing that makes it really good and decadent. Is I use butter.
Oh my gosh, butter.
Yeah. A lot of butter.
A lot of butter.
So if you're worried about your waistline, this is not the dish for you.
Well, that's okay. I'm burning it around 4,000 calories a day. Well, yesterday was probably like 3,000.
Look it, it's a mini butter. It's a little mini steak.
Mini steak.
That's perfect.
Perfect.
So I'll show you what I do.
Cooking in the Kitchen with Dan, episode 1.
Lil Danny's kitchen, remember?
Hey, it's your show. You get to call it whatever you want. I'm just making
That's what your dad named it,
stuff
Lil
up.
Danny's kitchen. Okay, so.
You're right. Cooking in the Kitchen with Dan would be Daniel's show.
Okay, so.
I don't think it'd be very, very good.
I particularly like the heels of the bread.
Yes.
Not everybody does, but because of the crust, it takes longer for them to soak the egg wash in.
Yes.
The egg mixture, so I put them on the heel side. And this is one of those operations where you typically use one hand for batter. You don't batter stuff very often, but the rule of thumb when you're battering something is one hand for batter and one hand for transfer. So, because if you get both hands dirty, it gets to be a real mess. So sometimes I'll use a fork or a spoon just to help me. I probably should have done this the other way. And you just turn them over.
Would you say your French toast is definitely going to be better than Gianna's?
Giada's?
The Italian-Irish woman off of the cooking show?
That's Giada.
Huh?
Giada De Laurentiis, that's her name.
That's who I'm going for. That's who I was
don't
asking.
know. I've never seen Giada cook French toast.
I've never seen her cook French toast. I'm just saying, like, do you believe this is way
I can only tell
better?
you that my family likes it.
Okay.
So I don't know how long to tell you to soak these in.
So no Cody confidence.
I don't know what you're saying.
I would just say, like, there's no way she can cook better French toast than me. I've been cooking French toast forever.
I have been cooking French toast a long time. I'm sure I'm older than her, but whether mine is better than hers, I really couldn't say.
Very humble. Very humble.
I don't claim to be a fantastic cook, but I think what I do well. All right, so then what I do, I used to do these one at a time and lay them on the griddle, but then I decided to do all of my toast pieces at once, and it just makes the process a little easier, so you can finish getting messy hands and then go to the cooking stage.
Yes.
So I just stack them up on there. The other thing is a lot of people will just cook their French toast in whole pieces of bread. But I like mine because I like the crunchy edges. So.
Ooh, there's a place in Austin I can take you. It's called French Bread. Texas French Bread, or something like that. And it is got the best French toast, or one of the best French toast places in Austin.
I love French toast. But Troy says he doesn't eat French toast out because it's not as good as mine.
Right. Well, that one could compete, but it just barely lost.
So this still looks pretty eggy.
I was like, you guys definitely measured stuff. It's not gonna win. You gotta throw some dashes in. You gotta be able to, it's like 50% it's gonna be the best ever, or like 10% you're just gonna get black and Cajun style. So if you're not willing to take the chance of just having black French toast, you're not gonna win in this game.
All right, so this is a little eggy still. I'm gonna add a little bit more cream. I guess there's not a real science to this.
It's more of an art.
It's more of a trial and error. Yeah, I can feel our griddle getting really hot. Really, really hot.
Did you want to turn on the vent hood?
It's too. You know what? It doesn't work. Okay,
Really?
so that's really.
Should I open up the windows?
No, because the AC's on. No, I just turned it down, off.
Okay.
I should have not turned it.
Yeah,
off.
I have a very cute guest right now. She texted me, "Hey, I turned up the air conditioning for you because I know you don't want to lose money, so I turned it up 5 degrees after I left."
She's a very conscientious guest.
Yeah.
So what do they do with your key?
Huh?
Where do they put your key? You have a hide spot for it?
They get to keep it until they leave.
I know, but you're not there right now, so how do you get it?
She's still there.
Oh, okay. I bet she likes that, having the place all to herself.
Probably. She wasn't there really. I was like, "Wait, where are you going?" "Oh, I'm going to the anime convention." I was like, "All right, well, you might meet my brother over
I
there."
was gonna say.
It's like a super gaming convention. I'm like, well, Troy hasn't said anything about that. But he hasn't really talked to me, other than like, hey, like we've had 7 conversations totaling less than 7 minutes in the past 7 days.
He's finished with his internship.
You want to go to dinner? Well, what are you getting? Pizza. Definitively not. He said, definitively not? Is that a word? I was like, yes. Okay. Bye. Conversation took 9 seconds after we got on the phone. I was like, where are you going? HEB?
Yeah, he told me that he bought you a pizza there once, and that you said you declared it pretty good.
It was pretty good, but like, I was like, this is the last pizza I'm gonna have with you for months. And then he calls me 2 weeks later. "Hey, wanna go get a pizza?" I was like, I already had a pizza today.
Alright, see, I'm gonna have to end up making more batter.
See, this is the good thing about having like so many gigs. Oh, it does run my battery down, but I got a supercharger. No, it's that I can record for hours. It just takes a long time to put on the computer.
Okay, so I need more eggs. More egg. So if you have extra bread left over, you either say, okay, I'm done, or you start again and you do the whole thing over.
Okay, I'm done. Oh wait, I'm not cooking, that's right.
Okay, let's see. I think we can just make a little bit.
So yeah, I was like, maybe I should get your number. I could set you up with Troy.
That's pretty funny.
Because like in her picture for Airbnb, I thought she was Japanese. She was like in full...
Anime mode?
No, she was in full Japanese theater garb. And so when she came to me, I said, either you're Japanese and like you're really hiding it, or you're a really, really smart, nerdy Mexican girl. This anime is really big in Mexico right now. And she said, "You're right. I'm definitely Mexican."
All right, I hope this is enough.
And she's got like a ponytail down to the floor.
Wow.
Or let's see, you remember the girl who had the ponytail, or no, the guy who had the ponytail on Game of Thrones? It's like this long.
I don't remember a guy in the bed.
He was the king of the tribe.